I just wanted to give a quick review of this beautiful stained iris glass. Oh, it is gorgeous. It's prettier than I thought it would be. The back of it, it's kind of like a bevel look to it, and then when you turn it around, it's that smooth finish. So it's gorgeous. Whether you're hanging it in your house or outside, it is going to look fabulous. I love these. I've always loved stained glass. I think they make a really pretty unique gift. This happens to be 6.3 inches. They do come in several other sizes. This is all metal around with this metal chain, and it also comes with a little hook right here, so you can hook that on your window and just place that anywhere you want to. But this is just so pretty. I just love it. The colors are so vibrant. They are UV printed, so it just really is that really vibrant color that you get in the sun. They also come in a lot other designs, so whether you're looking for a birthday gift, Mother's Day gift, or just someone's special gift, these are going to be perfect. So hope you found this helpful.